It's summer time. धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है. It's a sunny outside.
दिल्ली है दिल मेरा, ये मेरी जान है, कद्दावर है विरासत और फिजा में इत्मीनान है. जो लूट के गए इसे वो खाक हो चुके, पर आज भी ये गौहरे हिंदुस्तान है.
Welcome everybody to another new vlog of my YouTube channel. This is Dilli और मैं. From now onwards I have decided something which I got some feedback from few of my friends, close friends. What feedback I got? I'll tell you. And the feedback is हिंदी में बात अब थोड़ा कम करो और थोड़ा सा अपना इंग्लिश का लेकर के आओ. Because you know, as I am not anymore in India, although I know that my channel is, I am Indian, still now I am Indian, but this is not like कि मैं बाहर आ गया हूँ तो मेरे दिमाग हवा में चढ़ गए और मुझे कुछ भी करने रहेगा. ऐसा नहीं है. The thing is like as like people here where I am living right now in abroad, they don't understand even English. तो हिंदी तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So that's why they just suggest me, why don't you go for something in English as compared to Hindi. हिंदी में भी रखो, but be more focused on English because you don't use subtitles and all things. So how would I like someone who don't know English or Hindi to understand like what you are conveying your message through your channel. So suggestion was quite considerable. So I thought that okay, as I'm not very much good in English, but I'll try to communicate with you all a little bit in English, and I hope that people who has not subscribed my channel, but they see my videos through my friends, so probably they can understand. They will be knowing that what I'm trying to say in English actually. So what else? And so let's start it from today onwards in English. So let's start with a very new vlog. This is totally be in English with you all guys, and there are 2 or 3 reasons behind to create this vlog right now. Is very first is to to just start my first vlog in English and to share my thoughts in English instead of Hindi, and to communicate with all my friends who are living abroad, who by mistake if they watch my videos, so that they can understand that what I'm trying to say right now. The second thought behind, and the second reason behind is, it's been a month, more than a month, that I bought a bicycle for me, and unfortunate thing that I just forgot all my accessories of the action camera back in India at my home, and right now I don't have accessories, so I have ordered some accessories for myself for bicycling, so that I can just vlog over the bicycle. So I was not having those, so that's why like the cycle is standing outside in my balcony, but I'm not riding it just because I don't have the camera. I rode my bike twice. Once when I had to fix my bicycle and I need to get that assembled very first day, and the second thing is when I was getting bored, so in the evening I just I just took out my bicycle and I just went into the Milan city, and I roamed everywhere like 2.5 hours. I just bicycled, and that was an amazing feeling, seriously amazing feeling. So this is my bicycle right now standing doing nothing. The reason behind to buying the bicycle is just not to vlog riding the bicycle and vlogging something. I just bought this bicycle to to go out and just for the fitness purpose. but due to this coronavirus thing and all the things, stuff which is going around, I don't feel comfortable to go out. Even though over the weekends, once in a week, I hardly go out. I go out only to buy some grocery things weekly. That's it. So now things are getting very much comfortable in Milan. Not 100%, but somehow to some extent it's fine in Milan now. So I have thought that like I just buy the main accessories, like the main accessories, like the handle mount, bicycle handle mount. Over that I can fix my GoPro camera, and I can just shoot something wherever I'm just going in Milan while riding my bicycle. So I mean, this is an idea to be like while enjoying the city while riding your bicycle. And even if you have watched my previous video where I have mentioned that in Milan it's a fun, like if you ride your bicycle or you're walking through by the streets or the roads, it's a very fun thing, right? You must be enjoying each and every step of your, like you walk, you see, you feel it, you literally enjoy it. There's a like kind of, it's a very romantic place, right? You feel the romance everywhere, like wherever you go, you enjoy it, each and bit and pieces of of your life, of your moment, at the moment of time when you were outside in the street of Milan. It's a very great place. Yeah. It's summertime. धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है. It's a sunny outside, but still the weather is very pleasant. And you won't feel that much of heat while you are sitting inside your home. Even though I don't use air condition till now, I don't use. I feel very comfortable like this because I always open my windows, and it is always for like cross ventilation. And if it is like cross ventilation properly, then probably your apartment is good. Like you don't need air conditioning anymore. So this is how I I'm living right now, and I'm enjoying, and I'm what else like I can just share with you. It's very common and very you can say unplanned kind of vlog, which is like not planned, nothing on my head. Like I just picked up the camera and start speaking in front of the camera with you all guys. That's it. So that was a very short, very short I guess video to share with you. So I don't know whether it's, what should I say. And so this is the only update which I was like about to share with you. One, the thing is probably from now onwards I will be in English. And second thing, yes, I got my bicycle. So once I will get my accessories for like capturing things from action camera, then probably I'll start my bike vlogging. Moto vlogging is was like in India I was doing, but in Milan probably I'll start my bike vlogging through like my action camera while riding my bicycle. So let's hope I'll start it very soon. But yes, again the thing is I will be not very active because still I'm not very comfortable going out. I still feel very paranoid going out. I'm not feeling comfortable, although things are very much comfortable in Milan. People are going out, having their all things. They are going for dinner, breakfast, running, exercising, gymnasium, coffee, bar, everything is open now. But yes, a little bit I'm not comfortable with. So I'm trying to cope with this situation, and hope I'll be on road very soon, and I'll be vlogging from the street of Milan and the other places in Italy. Yes, probably for this weekend I am this weekend or Monday, coming Monday I'm going to Venice. So probably I'll covering that thing, and I'll make a very try to make a good vlog of Venice, how I feel in Venice, and what is the actual Venice, because very first time I will be in Venice then, and probably I'll explore and I'll try to capture the things which I feel which can be like captured through the camera. So yeah, like I'll try. See, I'm a human, right? I mean, so no, it's not joke. I'll try to make a vlog. So definitely I'll take my gears with me, and let's hope. I'll keep the finger crossed. I'll try my best to make a vlog of Venice also. So with that said, guys, Rab Rakha, Allah Hafiz. Do take care of yourself and follow your dreams. Peace.